สวัสดีค่ะ My Thai Learning BFFs. In this lesson, we're going to explore and learn Thai personal pronouns. If you're ready, let's go and live our Thai passion. And here is the list of Thai personal pronouns, also known as Burut Sappanam. Burut Sappanam. What I'm going to do here, everyone, is say each personal pronouns twice and then tell you the tone and then say it one more time. Your job is to repeat and mimic the sound the best you can. Okay, so if you're ready, let's begin. The first one on the list is Pom, rising tone, Pom, which means I or me for a male speaker. The next one is Chan, rising tone, Chan, which means I or me for a female speaker. The next one, Kun, mid-tone, Kun, which means you. The next one, Kau, rising tone, Kau, which means he or him. Next one, Thơ, mid-tone, Thơ, which means she or her. And the next one, Man, mid-tone, Man, which means it. Next one, พวกเขา falling tone, เขา rising tone, พวกเขา which means they or them. And the last one, พวกเรา พวก falling tone, เรา mid-tone, พวกเรา which means we or us. With this particular personal pronouns, Thai native speakers normally shorten it right down to just เรา so it doesn't matter if you say พวกเรา or just เรา it means we or us. As you can see here, in the Thai language, we only have one set of personal pronouns, which can be used as subject pronouns and object pronouns. So, what this means is we need to learn the basic structure so we know where to place them when we use it as a subject pronouns and an object pronouns. And that is what I'm going to show you next in our next lesson. But for now, learn these personal pronouns and I'll see you in the next lesson. สวัสดีค่ะ